Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about window tinting tips. Window tinting is the process of applying a thin film to your car's windows. This film can provide a number of benefits, including reducing heat and glare, protecting your interior from UV damage, improving privacy, enhancing the look of your car. In this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive overview of all the different aspects of window tinting, from choosing the right tint to applying it yourself. I'll also give you some tips on how to avoid common mistakes. So whether you're thinking about getting your car windows tinted for the first time or you're a seasoned DIYer, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started. Body. Choosing the right tint. The first step in window tinting is to choose the right tint. There are a variety of different tints available, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Some factors to consider when choosing a tint include the level of darkness you want. Tints are typically rated by their VLT, or visible light transmission. The lower the VLT, the darker the tint. The color of your car. Some tints look better on certain colors of cars than others. The legal requirements in your state. Each state has its own laws regarding window tint darkness. Be sure to check your state's laws before getting your windows tinted. Applying window tint. Once you've chosen a tint, you can either apply it yourself or have it done professionally. If you're applying the tint yourself, be sure to follow the instructions carefully. Here are some general tips for applying window tint. Clean the windows thoroughly before applying the tint. Use a sharp knife to trim the tint to size. Spray the window with a soapy solution to make it easier to apply the tint. Use a squeegee to remove any air bubbles. Allow the tint to dry completely before driving your car. Avoiding common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when window tinting. Using too much soap. Too much soap can make it difficult to apply the tint and can also cause bubbles. Not trimming the tint carefully. If the tint is not trimmed carefully, it will not fit properly and will look unprofessional. Not removing all the air bubbles. Air bubbles will make the tint look unsightly and can also reduce its effectiveness. Driving your car before the tint is dry. Driving your car before the tint is dry can cause the tint to peel or bubble. Conclusion. Window tinting can be a great way to improve the look and performance of your car. By following the tips in this video, you can ensure a perfect tint job. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about window tinting tips, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car care videos. Additional tips. If you're not comfortable applying window tint yourself, be sure to take your car to a reputable professional tinter. After you've had your windows tinted, it's important to clean them regularly. Use a mild soap and water solution and a microfiber towel. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the tint. If you notice any bubbles or peeling in your tint, be sure to have it repaired by a professional.